our Huawei Retail Director, Mr. Loaf, to come forward to us, everyone. Thank you. You want to stand there or here? Okay.
Thank you, everyone. A very good morning to our distinguished guests, members of the media, fellow colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to have all of you here with us today, celebrating the grand opening of our first Huawei Flagship store here in Pavilion, Kuala Lumpur. Thank you. Huawei has came a long way since entering Malaysia's smartphone market about 6 years ago as an unknown brand. With the unwavering commitment towards innovation and quality products, Huawei is now one of the most recognized smartphone brands in the world. In terms of market share, Huawei is actually one of the 3 top mobile phone manufacturers in the world. In Malaysia, we are ranked number 2, and of course, we are definitely the strongest in China. Dedicated in making Huawei consumers high-quality products and excellent service experience, we are delighted to have Huawei Flagship Store here in Malaysia. This Huawei first flagship store is not only the first and largest in Malaysia. In fact, it is the first and the largest Huawei flagship store in the entire Southern Pacific region.
Wow! Congratulations!
Strategically located in the heart of Kuala Lumpur, this outlet is at about 4,500 square feet and is designed with elements of modernism as well as nature to redefine a holistic, luxury and comfortable retail experience. The store promises to bring a complete range of Huawei smartphone devices, right from the top-notch flagship models to the entry smartphones, as well as the tablets, the accessories and wearables. Along with our superior customer service, we aim to provide all our customers a holistic retail experience that reflects the Huawei's core philosophy of customer centricity and produce the innovative smart devices. Through this partnership, we are able to extend our vast network of the Huawei outlets, helping us to reach even a lot more of consumers out there. I would like to take this opportunity to have a big thank you, to our business partner, Future Mobile, as well as our service partner, POM. Distinguished guests, Huawei is now the new choice of smartphone for Malaysian consumers. We are the second most preferred brand in Malaysia, as mentioned before, securing over 50% market share in the premium smartphone segment. A great achievement we had recently, which is the announcement of the Bukit series. Definitely you can actually experience it later inside the store. And all the success didn't came easy. This is all made possible thanks to our loyal customers as well as our new consumers. Hence, I would like to end my speech here thanking all the warriors in Malaysia for their continuous support and the love of Huawei. Again, thank you for attending this fantastic event today, and I wish everyone an enjoyable afternoon. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Carlson. Next, I'd like to invite the Managing Director of Future Mobile and Retail Partner of Huawei Flagship Store, Mr. Choi.
大家好。
给点掌声，老板了吗？
英文不太行啊。
没问题。
还是来一句 Welcome everyone。非常感谢大家在百忙之余还抽空来参加我们的开幕典礼。我希望这家店不能说希望，是一定要做到华为的精神，以客户为先，给大家带上最好的服务。
Customer focus。
非常谢谢大家今天的来临。我想邀请我的夫人，来大家先认识一下。还有我的小舅子，我的合作伙伴阿豪。我们还是要跟大家介 谢谢大家今天的降临，谢谢大家，谢谢。
谢谢你的邀请，谢谢。Thank you. Of course, now we have a ribbon cutting ceremony, and now we would like to invite our VIP to come to the middle. First, of course, we have Mr. Abraham Lee, or CEO of Huawei Malaysia. Next, we have Country Director Zhu Sir, Deputy Country Director Matthew Ng, Retail Director. Of course, next we have Mr. Loaf, Director of Leasing, and of course, next we have Future Mobile. Our partners are Mr. Choi and Miss Wong, and of course Mr. Carlson as well. And last but not least, we have Customer Service Manager Mr. Alvin to join us for the ribbon cutting ceremony. There you go. Very beautiful ribbons. This is definitely a very memorable moment. To all guests, do not try to show off all your Huawei's phones. Huawei 的电话拍照最漂亮，所以大家一定要把它举起来，把这个那么纪念性、那么光荣的一刻拍下来。最重要呢，就是要 po 上去，让全世界知道。地街也是最大的华为旗舰店，就在 Pavillion。Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Come on, 3, 2, 1, go! Congratulations! The first and the largest Huawei Flagship store in Pavillion. This is a great ceremony. Thank you so much. And now I would like to invite our ladies and gentlemen to come over to this backdrop and take a good photo together. I'll take a picture here. Okay, no problem. Oh, no. Let's say just quick picture here will do. Okay, just give me a thumbs up. Maybe give a thumbs up. Face to our members of media, to all the big cameras and so Huawei's camera. Congratulations again, 恭喜！希望我们的生意呢，能够兴隆之余是蒸蒸日上，可以带给全马的华为所有的用户最好的享受哦。好的，谢谢我们的 VIPs，and now we'd like to invite